In this video, I'm going to show you how to create rules in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Rules help automate your transactions by automatically categorizing, renaming merchants, or adding tags based on conditions like merchant name, amount, or account. To create a rule, go to Settings, then click on Rules and select Create Rule. Start by setting your if conditions, like a merchant contains a specific name or an exact amount. Then set your then actions, such as assigning a category, renaming the merchant, or adding a tag. Once you're done, click Save, and you can drag and reorder your rules based on priority. You can also create quick rules directly from transaction. Just edit a transaction, and a pop-up will suggest creating a rule based on your changes. It will auto-fill the criteria, and you can choose to apply it to future or past and future transactions. Rules run automatically on new, non-pending transactions and process from top to bottom, so you can always go back and adjust them anytime in settings. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.